A foldable gaming console from Samsung. Wow. I'll be honest with you. We already have had rumors that Microsoft next, or honestly, probably this year, in all honesty, is going to come out with not a foldable, but a handheld console. They're kind of trying to push this whole everything's an Xbox type of concept. They did the same thing with the Surface Duo 1 and 2. They're going to do the same thing with pretty much everything. Now, Microsoft hasn't had any reports that they're coming out with a foldable console per se, but it does interest me a little bit, you know, the concept/idea of a foldable console. So this was showed off at the most recent event, and you can see right there it says Samsung displays on the hinge. It kind of looks very similar to a Z Flip device, but it's not. It has a USB-C port on the right hand side with, of course, 2 game pads connected to the actual device. So it's not like it disconnects in any way. This is kind of like a Switch Lite, but in a very weird way. I say weird way because it's a foldable device. Now, we don't know the durability of the inner display. This would be a first gen product, so the inner display durability very possibly could be not the greatest, for being honest. It's kind of funny because this example right here is someone actually, this is a Twitch stream. You can see the guy in the left hand corner, he's streaming himself doing this, so kind of interesting. Obviously they're just showing off the idea/concept of it. But yeah, you can see right here, there's a better example of this. It's a Twitch stream that you're watching here. But this is, again, a foldable handheld console. It's going to run Android. I mean, it's funny because it's just going to be a Z Flip without network capability. Which, I'll be interested to see what the price tag looks like. And it's also not going to have any cameras. Lordy. Excuse me. It's not going to have any cameras either. So it's going to be literally like a Z Flip with less cameras. Probably a way less processing unit. And also it's going to have what's called no network connectivity. No 5G, 4G, whatever. Very interesting. All right, my freaking throat just died for a second. But yeah, shout out to Samsung for pushing the envelope. But tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. See you guys next one. Peace out.